Oh, that because you don't go to the gym. Yes, my love.
Sino?
Yes, Rocker. Yeah. Because the gym didn't pull me there. Yeah. The panty. Never mind. This one. I have many belly.
You don't go to the gym.
Belly. Belly. That's the back. And that's the front view. Oo nga. Maybe next month, it will be back to shape. Charot. Good morning, Miss Lopez. Hi, Andoko. Good morning. Good evening. Yeah, this is the... Nay! Nagdakol. Nice, but...
Ayan mo pa siya.
Huh?
Rampahan mo pa siya.
Ano yung TikTok na ganun? Yung ganun yung TikTok. May bago na TikTok na ganun. Yung sayaw.
Wala ang sayo.
Meron yung sayaw na sa TikTok na bago. Yung gumaganon-ganon lang siya. Gumaganon-ganon lang siya. Oh. This is the back. Don't see the in front, just back. In front is not so good.
Nice boss. On his rocker. Maganda naman.
This is the back one. 16 viewer, press the button of the screen, guys. And subscribe my friend Jency's channel. Jenny Lynn. Front is perfect. Thank you, my loves. Yes, Rocker. Farkas. Please don't forget to subscribe Jenny Lynn channel. Thank you. Miss Lopez, keep mine standing. Oh, just anyone, guys, who will send this super sticker supported to help support my channel. Now this one, I have a big belly here. Yeah, because rice is light. That's why. I like it. Yeah, baby.
Baka may sumilid.
Ganito.
60 na sa mga. Ganda naman oh.
Malaki yung bilbil ko ba?
Hindi na. Dito mo. Lit dito sa
I like it. Ha? Anong malit dahil dito?
Lit dito sa cellphone ko. Tapos
Lit.
Yan na yan.
Tonight I'm yours.
Oh, lit. Oh.
Late.
Lit siya.
Support by sending a super sticker or super chat. Thank you, my loves. Yes,
Wear
Rocker.
that to wear sportswear.
Pindutin mo yung ano dahil doon. Doon sa may para siyang ganun. Doon sa baba. Pahit pala pag ganun, no?
Ito siya. Itong waistband na to. Di ba may dito tayo sa gilid? Yan yung pangtapal sa gilid. Kung saan yung taba. Dito.
Ganyan, ganyan.
Oo.
Ganyan. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very, very much.
Yeah, baby. What's that? Yes. And this is the meron siyang hole sa akin. Please keep respectful.
Please keep respectful. Thank you so much.
Sino nga dahil? Di ba? Ang cute niya.
Ganda ng likod mo sa may ship.
May ano siya, may taba-taba siya, di ba?
That's why you go to gym. That's because you don't go to gym every day. You just only
I'm dancing already in the prod.
sit your bed and talk your life in your song.
Oh.
Open bra, baby. No, baby. I cannot open my bra, baby. I don't have wear bra.
We don't have wear. How can we open?
Sportwear. It's
Yeah,
not bra.
we cannot.
We cannot open.
No open. Sesame is cross sesame. Nagano? Saan na ba to? Wala pang alas 12 day.
Please introduce your friend.
She is Jenalyn, and she have a channel. Please subscribe her.
Jenalyn channel. Thank you so much.